Welcome to Amanda's Life channel, and I'm about to get me a breakfast from McDonald's. They got what I want. I'm hungry this morning, y'all. Yeah, do y'all have the steak, egg, and cheese bagel yet?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I want to get the special then.
What kind of salad you like?
Sausage, and I want hash browns.
You want a sausage cheese McMuffin or a sausage muffin? Or a sausage biscuit?
Let me get the sausage, egg, and cheese.
McMuffin?
Yes.
You want two of them?
Yes.
You up?
And a cup of water and hash brown.
Okay. That be all for you?
That'll be it.
John, first one, please.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, good morning.
$6.49.
Give me a second. Give me a second now.
Right. You been doing all right?
I'm doing fine. How about you?
I'm doing good.
That's good. All righty. Thank you. Fine. Could I get some grape jelly?
Okay.
Right in there. Thank you. All right. That didn't take long at all. Okay, where am I park? Right here. Ooh. They got the best parking spots for the curbside pickup. So I got to find a spot with better lighting. That's a little better. Hello, everybody. I got me 2 sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin today. I think it's buy a sausage McMuffin and get another one for $1. But if you get egg and cheese on it, I guess you got to pay extra. We all know that. Anyway, first I would like to say, please, if you're watching my channel, please like and subscribe. Help me out with my channel. And I want to give a shout out to Angie Eats TV. Picky Palate. I want to say it right because I want to say Pickle Palate. Picky Palate. She's very picky about what she eat. If she don't like it, she gonna tell you about it. So go check her out. Anybody that's watching this video, check her out. She got a good channel and she support other content creators. So I like that. All right. And please like and share my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, this is what I got. I wanted the steak, egg, and cheese bagel, but they ain't came out yet in my town. So I've been seeing the commercial on TV, and I came out this morning thinking that the one in the McDonald's in my town might have it, and but I wasn't surprised when they didn't. But that's what I wanted. But they got this buy one get one, so I settled for that. And this is how it looks. I got a car pulled up right beside me. He got out and gone. Here's my jelly. Looks good. I like McDonald's. Look like they use real eggs. I don't know for sure, but it look like it's real eggs. Most restaurants use egg in a carton, but this I believe this is a real egg. I can tell the way it looks. The sausage meat don't look like it's deep fried. It look like it's cooked differently than Burger King. Burger King deep fried their sausage patties. These don't look like they've been deep fried. I don't know. It's early in the morning in North Carolina. And it feels like, trying to find my phone. Anyway, it feel like it's 80 degrees already. I mean early in the morning. Probably around 9 o'clock. I'm going home when I finish eating this. Turn on all my AC in the house. Look. My hash brown. Maybe they'll have their steak, egg, and cheese bagel by next week, so I can do a video. Cause they had steak, egg, and cheese before, and McDonald's I think use real steak. I always get the steak, egg, and cheese at Bojangles. But I want to try out McDonald's because I believe that's better. I had McDonald's. McDonald's used to sell steak, egg, and cheese like a long time ago, but they took it off the menu. They're supposed to be bringing it back. When I was younger, I used to not like muffins, egg McMuffins. I thought it was just like a dry sandwich. But one day, I just decided to try it, and they weren't so bad. I always loved biscuits and eat my sandwiches on bun. But one day I decided to try the McMuffin, and I said, I've been a fan ever since. And when I see them on sale, I got to go get one. I'm gonna put a hash brown in the middle of this. That man done got in and out his car about 3 times. This is the second one. I'm gonna tell you about these businesses now, but they've been doing it. They don't give you no ketchup, nothing, salt and pepper, nothing, not unless you ask for it. I guess they do that to cut down on waste. I don't know, but look like to me, if you get hash browns or something that requires ketchup, they will give it to you. If you don't ask for it, you ain't gonna get it. And a lot of cashiers just want to hurry up and get their order out anyway. They ain't got time to mess with you. I worked at many restaurants, I know. Sometimes they'll get mad because you asked them. Especially if it's real busy. and talk right nasty to you. It looked like it would taste better, but it tastes about the same with the hash brown as it do without the hash brown. The hash brown is really flavorless, but the sandwich is real good. But the hash brown is just more like a waste of time. Burger Burger King hash brown are way better than this. Yeah, I got my window halfway down, so it's a lot of trucks. I'm next to a busy highway. You hear a lot of cars and trucks, but forgive me for that. That's good. Yeah, these sausage patty, they look like they've been cooked on a flat top grill instead of deep fried. And like I said, I know Burger King deep fried their sausage patty, and then the eggs look like real eggs because you can see the yolk in the middle. And Burger King, they use cartons of eggs in cartons. So that's the difference. Well, y'all, I'm down to my last bite. Got just about 19 minutes on my video. Please like and subscribe my videos. I'm going to ask you once again. And go visit Angela Eats TV, Picky Palette. And I'm sure you're going to love her channel. Alrighty then. I'm going to say God bless. And bye. See you next week.